Nitric acid, hydrogen nitrate, is a highly corrosive and strong mineral acid. It's commonly used in various industrial applications, including the production of fertilizers, explosives, and rocket propellants. It's also utilized in the manufacturing of nitrocellulose, which is a key component in some types of plastics and coatings. Nitric acid is a key reagent in laboratory work and is used in the synthesis of a variety of compounds. In its pure form, nitric acid is a colorless liquid that emits nitrogen dioxide gas upon exposure to air, giving it a yellowish-brown color. It's highly reactive with most metals and forms metal nitrates upon reaction. Due to its corrosive nature, it should be handled with care, and appropriate safety precautions should be taken when working with it. Uses. In laboratory settings, nitric acid finds several important uses. Chemical analysis. It's commonly used in analytical chemistry for various tests, including the qualitative and quantitative analysis of metals and other compounds. For example, it can be used in the preparation of samples for atomic absorption spectroscopy, AAS, or in digestion procedures prior to analysis. Digestion of samples. Nitric acid is often used to digest organic and inorganic samples prior to analysis. This digestion process helps in breaking down complex matrices into simpler forms for analysis, especially for elements like metals. Synthesis. Nitric acid is a key reagent in many organic and inorganic synthesis reactions. It's used in the preparation of various compounds, including nitro compounds, nitrates, and nitrocellulose. Cleaning and etching. Due to its strong acidic nature, nitric acid is used for cleaning laboratory glassware and equipment. It's also utilized for etching certain metals and ceramics. Preparation of nitrogen oxides. Nitric acid can be used in the laboratory to prepare other nitrogen oxides, such as nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and nitrous oxide, N2O, which have various applications in chemical synthesis and analysis. pH adjustment. In some cases, nitric acid is used for pH adjustment in laboratory solutions, particularly in solutions containing metals or metal salts. Catalysis. Nitric acid can serve as a catalyst in certain reactions, especially in the oxidation of organic compounds.